Hey everyone, Better Mechanic here. Here to show you the second installment of the 2014 GMC Sierra. Bought this pedal commander. Saw a lot of good reviews on it. Now I want to show you how to install it. Come follow me. Hey everyone. Alright, so we're going to begin with this connector right here. This is your throttle position connector, the drive-by wire, that connector. So let's push that tip in. There we go. It's out. Push the clip in. And come on. There we go. There we are. There. Now we're unclipped. Now we're going to save this because we're going to reuse this when we put the pedal commander back in. So we have these two ends of the pedal commander. Okay, it's only gonna go one way, so this is how it's gonna go. All right. We're gonna go with the connector with the gray locking key. We're gonna put right back into the pedal and clip that gray piece back down. Okay. All right. Now, after that, this other piece right here. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry if I'm blocking your way, but that connects back into the female end of the connector. And there it goes, click right in. Alright, now let's make sure this is all tucked up out of the way. So what I want to do is oh, sorry guys, didn't mean to bump you around or anything, but this is where we're gonna go. Alright. I might change this up, but for right now, let's go right about, let's see here. And up through, make sure it's not blocking the gas pedal, because you do not want that to stick. That could be bad news bears. So, alright. Alright everyone, we're back now, and what we're going to do is use the pedal commander. It came with an alcohol pad, and where I decided to put this pedal command controller is right here, just above the air vent. So what I'm going to do is just clean off this area nice, just make sure this is nice and clean. Alright, there's that. And now for the pedal commander end. So you're going to want to clean this backside here. Just clean that all up. Alright, there's that. Okay, good. That right there for now. Alright everybody, we're back. Now to use this controller, to begin with eco mode, you're going to have to press and hold right where this star is for about 3 seconds. And there you go. Now we have a plus and a minus right here. You can go +1 equal, +2 echo, or eco, sorry, +3 eco, and 4 eco. That's the most eco mode you're going to get out of this truck. Now you can go all the way back down and when you're back down to nothing, it's just standard eco, nothing added to it. It's just probably a little less than what the stock throttle position is. Alright, so now we're at red with hitting the minus. So we're at -4, -3, -2, and -1. And now what I want to do, just to start this little tutorial off with this, is I want to have it at +4 eco. And then I'm going to work my way down to, I'll probably do 4, then 2, then 1. And then I'll probably bump it up, or actually, you know what? I'll do 4, 2. Then I'll go to city, do 4, 2. Sport, 4, 2. And then we'll do Sport Plus at 4 and 2. Or vice versa. Either way, we'll start off around there. So, let's begin with Eco +4. Alright, here we go. Let's begin this little journey. Oh wow. Jeez, that's real sluggish. Oh wow. Oh, and there we go. Took a little bit to kick on, but just wow. It's extremely sluggish at this mode. I mean, I'm doing 25 and alright, there we go. But it takes about 3/4 of the pedal for that to kick up. I let off and it's just definitely a big difference from stock. I mean, that's sluggish. Here, let's turn into here real quick. And then I'll switch it into city. And we'll go all the way back up. Get ourselves turned around here. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to switch this to... Yeah, let me turn this light on for us so we can see. There we go. Now I'm going to turn this to city. And we're going to do city 4. Let's see what city 4 does for us. Oh yeah, there's definitely a big difference there. Wow. Oh boy, that's definitely some different pickup there. From that sluggish mode from Eco 4 to just City 4. That's a big difference. Alright. Well, let's pull into here again. Different spot here, and let's switch this to what do you guys think? You think we should do sport? Just try it out. Let's do sport. All right. So let me stop here real quick, and here we go. There we go. Okay. Now let's switch this to City 4 to Sport. Oh, let's hit this right there. We go. We gotta remember the star. Now let's add that up to 4. So that's Sport +4. So we went from City +4 to Sport +4. Let's see how we're doing on this. Oh wow, I'm barely even hitting the throttle on that. Oof, that's kind of got me excited, guys, to see what you know, this whole Sport Plus is gonna do. Wow, that's definitely got some growl. Oh yeah, that's definitely what I'm looking for in this. Extremely happy with that. Oh, wow. There we go. You guys hear that? Holy shit. I literally gave it maybe a quarter of a throttle. Wow. That's amazing. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pull back in here. And let's put this up to Sport Plus with the +4. Now, I can only imagine how fun this is going to be at +4. Definitely looking forward to this. So, alright, let's stop right here. Turn the light on, and alright, let's go to Sport Plus +4. Alright, guys and gals, let's see how fun this is going to be. Oh boy. Wow. Holy shit. I'm probably hitting like 1/8 of a pedal, and it's kicking up this much on Sport. Holy crap. That's awesome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna go have some fun with this for a quick second. Or do you guys want to tag along? Yeah, you know what? I think you guys want to tag along. Let's have some fun. Oh yeah. Yeah, that throttle is definitely, oh boy, definitely a lot crisper than it is stock. That's awesome. I love the fact that all I gotta do is just tap it. Just the lightest tap. Like right there. Like that's just the lightest tap. And that's, oh my God. It just wants it more and more and more. It's amazing. Holy crap. Alright, you know what? Let's just bring this back down to eco, just for this little section of road. So let's turn our said light back on. Here we are. And hold that for 3 seconds. There we go. And let's do, yeah, we'll stick with eco +4. And let's see how this does. Let's just compare this. All right. Oh my God. And that's, oh my God, that's 3/4 of the pedal. Wow. That's such a difference. I'm literally, yeah, I'm definitely 3/4 of the pedal down on eco +4 with this just simple little quick attach. It's just, you know, you unplug the connector to the throttle the gas pedal, connect this baby back up, and it's just, Jesus, you know what? I gotta go back up to Sport Plus +4, because wow. All right, let's see here. Guys, I'm not even half throttle. Oh my God. Yeah, this is definitely my new favorite little attachment here. Oh yeah. So anyways, guys, like, subscribe, comment, you know, all that good stuff. Let's see if we can get some likes on this video. Come on now, let's definitely get some pedal commanders going. I mean, I'm not paid for this, or I'm not even advertising it. I'm really pleased with what's going on, with how nice this is. Yeah, sorry, that's just my backup. But I am definitely ecstatic with this pedal commander. And I truly recommend it to you guys to get this. But, you know what? Again, like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think of this. I'm telling you, worth the money. Definitely worth the money. Alright guys, this is your veteran mechanic. I will talk to you again. Have a good one. Alright, so everyone, like I said, like, comment, subscribe. I mean, that pedal commander was definitely the sweetest thing I put on that truck. Obviously, minus the cold air intake. And I don't know if you guys could tell in that video, but that video was also a quick review on the sound of the cold air intake. You guys should be able to hear it in the video. Stock exhaust with a cold air intake, you get that drone in the cab, which is amazing. And you probably hear it more so in the Sport and the Sport Plus mode. But I'm telling you guys, like, subscribe. You're going to love the more stuff that keeps happening here. Like, come on. Your veteran mechanic here is, I'm here to just have a good time and have you guys enjoy everything. All right, everyone. Have a good night. See you in the AM.